Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Sheridan, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is more than 50 miles from your current address. A long-distance relocation may be interstate or interstate, that is, within or outside the state. Long-distance relocations require more detailed planning because of the distance involved. At 3 Movers, we offer relocations within the state and outside. Our team of movers and drivers are always available to take charge of your move. Our staff have great work ethics and plan and execute exceptional long-distance moves. Our moving trucks are also strong, spacious, and fit for long-distance travel. You can trust your belongings with us because we're registered under state and federal authorities in charge of relocation. We've also put in place adequate insurance to protect your belongings and your interest. Our long-distance moves are fast and your belongings are safe. Local relocations are not as complex as long-distance moves, but they are equally needing professional assistance. In Sheridan, 3 Movers is the top leading firm. We are also located right at the city center and have served locals over time. We're also familiar with all the local and major routes in the city and work hand in hand with local relocation authorities. In addition, we charge the cheapest rates. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Sheridan moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.